Hi, welcome to Ease with Japanese, and in today's video we will learn about Dakuten and Handakuten. So now what is Dakuten and what is Handakuten? So you might have seen somewhere like this if I write ka like this, and there are two small bars like this. So these two small bars are called as Dakuten. And you might have also seen ha like this and a small circle like this. So this small circle is called as your Handakuten. Now what is the effect of Dakuten and Handakuten on letters? And this Dakuten is applied only to Ka series. I will write here. So Ka series, Sa series, Ta series and Ha series. And this Handakuten is applied only on Ha series. So let's see what changes does this Dakuten do on Ka series, Sa, Ta and Ha. So when you apply Dakuten on Ka series letters, Ka becomes Ga, Ki becomes Gi, Ku becomes Gu, Ke becomes Ge and Ko becomes Go. So the Ka series is converted to Ga series. Ga, Gi, Gu, Ge, Go. So the sound changes. When you apply Dakuten, the sound changes. In Sa series, Sa becomes Za, She becomes G. See carefully. It's G. It's not Z. It's G. Su becomes Zu. Se becomes Ze. So becomes Zo. So Za, Ji, Zu, Ze, Zo. And if you apply Dakuten to Ta series, Ta becomes Da, Chi becomes Zi, Su becomes Zu, Te becomes De and To becomes Do. So Da, Zi, Zu, De, Do. And if you apply Dakuten to Ha series, Ha becomes Ba, He becomes Bi, Fu becomes Bu, He becomes Be and Ho becomes Bo. So this is the effect of Dakuten. So this is my Za series, this is my Da series, this is my Ba series and this is my Ga series. Now coming to Handakuten, as I said earlier, it is applied to Ha series only. So the sound of Ha becomes Pa, the sound of He becomes Pi, Fu becomes Pu, He becomes Pe and Ho becomes Po. So this is the effect of Handakuten. So this is also called as our Pa series. Now this is for Hiragana. And for Katakana there is no change. Only the letters will change, otherwise sound will remain same. For example, if I say Ta, this is my Ta. Okay, if I apply Dakuten to Ta, it becomes Da. So the sound will remain same. Da here, Da here. There is no change in sound. Only the letter will change. Here the letter has been changed and here the letter of Hiragana. So there is no change in sound, only change in letters of Katakana. So this is about Dakuten and Handakuten. I hope you liked the video. If you have any confusion, please let me know through your comments. Please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends so that they can learn Japanese free of cost. Thank you so much.